Is the Windows key not working on your PC? In this video, you will see how to fix Windows key not working on Windows 10 and 11. Check if the Windows key is locked. The most common reason for the Windows key not working is it gets locked by mistake. There is a button to lock the Windows key on most modern keyboards, especially on laptops. Most users are not aware of this key. It is usually in a combination with another key. Find the key combinations for your keyboard and enable the Windows key. For my PC, it is FN plus Windows key. You can try FN plus F6 and FN plus F12. Try to locate the small icon on any of the keys. If you find it, use the combination to get the FN key and enable the Windows key. Gaming mode in the keyboard. Some keyboards designed for gaming come with a gaming mode key. When activated, it can disable specific keys such as the Windows button. If you are on a game and press the Windows key by mistake, the game gets minimized and you lose the play. If you have such a keyboard, you need to identify the gaming mode key and disable it. Usually it is located on F2 or F3 and has a small joystick icon. Use the key to disable the game mode and check if the Windows key is working or not. If not, follow the next fixes. Update keyboard driver. Sometimes a faulty driver also causes this issue, so you should update the keyboard driver. On Windows 11 and 10, click on Start and type Device Manager. Open it, then expand Keyboards. Here, right-click on your keyboard and select Update Driver. Then choose Search Automatically for Drivers. You can also download the driver from the manufacturer's website and provide the driver's location using the Browse My Computer for Drivers option. If there are several keyboards here, update them all. Restart your PC and check the Windows key. Perform an SFC scan. Sometimes an error in the system file could also cause an issue with the Windows key. To fix it, let's run the System File Checker. Instructions for Windows 10 and Windows 11 are the same. Click on Start, search Task Manager, and open it. Now click on the File menu and select Run New Task. If you have the latest Task Manager on Windows 11, just click on Run New Task. Type CMD and select Create this task with administrative privileges. Click OK. Now type SFC/Scan now. Hit Enter. Wait until the process gets completed. Restart the PC, and now check if the Windows key is working or not. If not, run the command prompt as administrator again. Copy the command from the description and paste it here. This command will check the health of your disk image and restore its health. Create a new user account. If these fixes don't work, the only option left for you is to create a new user account. On Windows 11, open Settings. Go to the Accounts, then go to Other Users. Click on Add Account. Now click on I don't have a person's sign-in information. Now click on Add a user without a Microsoft account. Now enter your username and password. Then select the security questions and answers. Now sign out and sign in with the newly created account. If you are on Windows 10, go to Settings, Accounts, Family and Other Users. Then click on Add someone else to this PC. Now click on I don't have a person's sign-in information. Now click on Add a user without a Microsoft account. Enter your username and password. Now complete the process. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, drop them below and share this useful video with your friends. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to press the bell button to receive alerts for videos on Windows tips and tricks.